Hey Fab Girls, is your skin feeling really tight and dry, or is it feeling wrinkly and stressed? If that is you, I hear you, because I was there too. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get my top tips and tricks on how to hydrate your skin, get that blood flow going, make it look plumper and more gorgeous, and reduce the signs of fine lines and wrinkles. So stay tuned. If you're new to my channel or you're back again, welcome. It's so wonderful to have you here. I'm Tracy Gold. I'm a personal stylist, YouTube fashion influencer, and QVC fashion presenter. Now, ladies, I have to tell you that I was really excited to be hired by Katy Perry to represent her on QVC. But right at the same time, I was really struggling with my skin, and I had important meetings to go to, I had workshops to present, and my skin was feeling incredibly dry, painful and sensitive. It was even flaking. And let me tell you what happens is that when your skin gets really dehydrated, which mine was, it actually makes you look more wrinkly. It definitely was doing that for me. So fast forward a few days and suddenly we go into lockdown, and then there was nothing that I could do. I couldn't go for a facial. I couldn't do a lot of the things that we would normally do to take good care of our skin. So I got super inventive. And ladies, I went from looking like this with my skin, where it was super patchy, it was really dry, the appearance of lines were starting to come that I've never seen before, and it was really sore. It was actually the weather that burnt my skin and just made me feel horrible. And I went from this to what it is today in a matter of a few weeks. I used the same lighting settings on my camera so that this would be really accurate, but you can see the difference in my skin. It's not so red, it's a lot more even skin tone, it's not nearly as dry, and look at the difference between my neck before and after. I mean, this is just amazing to me. So ladies, I'm super excited to share with you the tried and tested things that I have found. So I have put together a free online course where I demonstrate to you, because it takes a little long in one just YouTube video. I'm going to demonstrate to you some of the techniques that I used. So I'm going to teach you how to give yourself a really good facial massage at home. So if you didn't know already, I used to be a massage therapist. So I've combined a couple of really simple techniques that are going to help to reduce that inflammation, the puffiness, and because it gets all the blood flowing into your skin, it really starts to make it look plumper and younger and fabulous. I'm also going to share with you some of my favorite tried and test products that have worked wonders for me and wonders for people that have used it, tried and tested. To get this free online course, all you need to do is click on the link that is in the description below, and it will take you to a login page. So yes, it's free, but you do have to register. So if you're new to my website, then click the login page and it will come up as an option to register if you are new, or to log in if you aren't. And then you will have full access to this course. Just make sure to check your email and check your spam just in case. Ladies, I am so excited for you to get facial massaging your face and using things that are going to make you feel and look fabulous, because I know for sure that we can plaster our skin with a whole bunch of makeup, which was always an option for me, but I know that when we look and feel good without makeup, it's even better when we do put it on. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Let me know what you think of the course as well. I would love to hear your comments and any tricks that you may have. Also, let me know if you have any ideas of content that you would like to see coming forward in my online courses. Thanks so much, ladies. Till next time. Bye. Your skin feeling really dry and wrinkly and needing some TLC, would you stop doing that? You're gonna have to control yourself, Mr. Gold.